Guys, good morning. I look terrible, so I'm not showing myself, but I just woke up in the beautiful state of Miami. I'm so tired. Oh, oh God, I'm like falling over. Must have had too many drinks. I need to eat something. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is where I woke up. Beautiful palm trees. So pretty. I'm trying to figure out what I want to wear today. This is a closet. I think, sorry y'all, have gum in my mouth. I think I'm gonna wear this dress here from Fashion Nova. Either this one or this black dress right here. I'm kind of thinking this one though. To be honest, I don't know. Can't decide. I thought about this one, but probably not. So I'm trying to think. Ooh, y'all, I look a whole hot mess. Excuse that. But I just got done getting ready. I'm about to fix my wig. That's next. But I'm actually supposed to be going to the beach today. I was supposed to have a photo shoot, but the guy canceled on me. Whatever. Not too happy about that, but I'm gonna take my own pictures because I did bring my tripod. It's right over there. Boom. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pack some clothes for the beach. I'm gonna take this cover up. Everybody always asks me where this cover up comes from. This is from Fashion Nova, and then this swimsuit is from Unique Vintage. So I'm gonna take that, and then I'm also gonna take some flip-flops. These cute flip-flops I got from Dollar Tree for $1. So I'm gonna pack my little beach bag. Let me grab it. This is my bag. Ooh, this is my beach bag that I'm gonna be taking. This is from Estee Lauder. It was like a free gift or something. I do need to go to like Walmart or something to go and get some towels or something, because after I take my pictures, I'm gonna lay on the beach and just chillax. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I gotta give you guys an Airbnb tour of where I'm staying, just in case somebody like wants to stay here when they get to Miami. It's a really nice little place. I really like it a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my hair, pack my little bag, and then do a little tour for you guys, and then I'm gonna head out. Currently I think it's like a little bit after 1, so I've been sleeping like all day, and I know that's bad to be sleeping on vacation, but I slept until like 10 o'clock and I've been taking my time. I've been like loving it. So anywho, let me go ahead and get started with what I need to do. This is where I did my makeup too. So convenient. So yeah, let me go ahead and fix my hair, and I will see you guys in a minute. Anyway, so I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit about my experience so far. Haven't really did much. Yesterday I went to South Beach just to see, like, you know, how it was or whatever. So I guess that's like the main thing people do when they come here. So I was like, let me just go and see what should happen. That was pretty cool. I'm not really one for like crowds and stuff. Like, I'm a very low-key person, so that wasn't like my scenery. Like, I'm not really into stuff like that, but it was nice to see since I'm here or whatever. So that was pretty cool. But when I did like on the way down there, I got some footage, and I went and seen some pretty houses, and just, I love being around water in general. Like, that's just me. I love it. So I really enjoyed that more than anything. Just sightseeing and looking at the water. I haven't went to the beach yet. I'm gonna be going to Hollywood Beach today, just because that beach is like low key, and that's what I like. so I could take my pictures and just kind of relax and reflect. I'm gonna be by myself. This whole trip I'm by myself, but that's okay. I'm gonna make the best of it, because I definitely needed a, you know, little vacation or whatever. So I'm gonna make the best of this trip, and I'm very excited to be here. I'm feeling really blessed and thankful that I'm able to travel. And you know what, I feel like a lot of people just feel like they can't travel because it's so expensive, but honestly, you guys, if you plan for it like in advance, it's really not that bad. Like, I booked this trip in March, and of course I had to wait a little bit. You know, to go on the trip, but I mean, I feel like it was worth it. So far, the scenery, the ocean, I mean, the water, I mean, it's just, everything about the city is just beautiful. Now, of course, I've only seen like the best parts of everything so far, but I'm really loving it. And like I said, I wouldn't mind coming here, you know, like having a condo or something here. We ain't there yet, but I want to get there. Like, that would be an awesome little dream. Goal. I don't want to say dream, I want to say goal. So I just finished getting dressed. I'm getting ready to do the tour for you guys. So, yep, this is my outfit. You can kind of see it. I'm gonna be doing my vacation lookbook, so you will be able to see all my outfits that I wear. But yeah, let me go ahead and do this. I'm getting a little tired. I need to go ahead and hurry up so I can eat something. But yeah, so let me go ahead and get started.